My best and excellent good day. David, the physical therapist here. I wanted to take you through a nice little brief presentation on cellular voltage conditioning. You want your therapist to know what this is and apply it for you when you're healing. So what happened is that the salamanders were studied after being injured, and it was found that they had a certain particular voltage, frequency of wave, and amplitude. And this intensity that was studied also was found to be similar in humans. So then a machine was developed and a protocol was also introduced in this machine that we have. We want you to heal better, get better results. So what does this do? It increases the fuel in the cell, which is the ATP. It increases blood flow. It decreases pain, and it even increases the neuron signaling, nerve healing. So let's go down the list if you don't mind. Increases ATP production, which is the fuel. Enhances protein synthesis. For any bases of tissues to be made, protein needs to be there. This facilitates it. Accelerates wound healing, improves tendon and ligament repair. If you're post-op shoulder, hip, knee, you need this. You definitely need this if you care about the best for you, because your temple is the best asset that you have. Stimulates nerve regeneration, increases microcirculation, and reduces pain perception. So if you're ready for the best, if you want to invest in your temple, your body, we're the best choice. Here's a little machine of what that machine looks like. This has a certain parameters that we look for, and we're trained on doing this. We want the best for you. Happy healing, happy holidays. I hope we can hear from you.